Hello. So it's actually midnight now, and today I just received this one. So these are my scents for my scented candles, and I need to open it now to check. Of course, I need to check kasi baka yung scent baka nagka-problem, and I need to take videos in case for evidence. So ito siya, and ganyan. Bumili ako ng mga scent bago for testing, trial. Ayan, ka-open ko lang. Other side. Yung tripod ko kasi nasa labas. So, ayun. So, these are the scents. Ayan. Wow. So, thankfully, well packed siya. So, I hope walang spill dito. Because I will be it's going to be very sad. So, they make sure naka-bubble wrap each bottle. And I ordered 4 scents for my trials. Trial candles. Kasi gusto kong i-test yung sa paglagay ng scent ba. Experiment. So, nasa experiment stage pa. I'm hoping that next year I will be able to release some scented candles. So, you know, not just the typical scented candle. Something twist. So, oh my gosh. So, it's full bubble wrap. So, medyo mahirap siyang kunin. You need a scissor to do it. So, this one, actually, I think this is the coffee scent. So, sobrang bango. Saka mahal yung scent, guys. My God, this bottle is, this is only like, yes, this is the coffee scent. Walang spill. Super clean. Which is very good. And, sobrang bango niya. It is a coffee scent. And, yeah. Ayan, may nakalagay na instructions or recommended na candle temperature. Okay. So, imagine, this small is already like 150. Oh, 170. But it's okay. It's okay. This is how you do the business. So, I was called like the impulsive buyer, but it's okay. I just want to do something fun. Can make me happy. Impulsive buyer is a blessing, because if you only live in the fear, then you will also live in the word, what if? What if sinubukan ko? Ako wala ng what if, go! May SPay later naman. So, I'm planning to be back on track with my business while I work and while I do 2 YouTube channel. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Basta ang alam ko kaya ko. Hindi ako organized, but I will try my best to be organized starting this year, which is very good. Nagawa ko naman siya 90% kasi may nakalimutan ako i-post. Ayun, this my favorite lemon scent. Ayan, sobrang I salute this shop kasi sobrang safe. Oh, 3 lang pala ang in-order ko. And this already costs 450. Ganito kalit na bottle. So, 3 lang pala ang na-order ko. Hindi pala 4. And the packaging is very good. So, if you want to order some scents for your candles, or if you want to like make candles, you can just order from me, or you can use the link down below. Maglalagay ako. Ayan. So, I ordered 1 lavender, 1 coffee, and then 1 lemon, and 10 out of 10. All safe. Walang spill. Like even 0.001%. Wala. So, it is well packed. Unfortunately, matagal lang siyang dumating because of the typhoon. But it's fine. It's worth it. Okay lang sa akin. It takes a lot of time to deliver. As long as the package are well packed. No problem at all. So, bili na kayo sa shop na ito. See? Oh, I can't wait. Of course, gagawa tayo ng video pang vlog kapag na-experiment na, guys. So, ayan. I think I need to sleep kasi I still have work tomorrow morning. Bye-bye! By the way, bago ko kayo iwan, I just want to inform you. Kaya ganitong boses ko because someone is sleeping there on the bed. Tulog na po si Bossy. And as you can see, my room is very messy. So maybe tomorrow I will try my best to clean. Kasi kakadating lang din ang package ng mommy ko. So, yeah. And I need to go kasi hahawa na naman. It's just an unboxing. Bye-bye.